Hey Kyle, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com again. So here we have your third ticker, GGB, Gerdau USA, trading on the NYSE. This one looks a little bit more interesting than the other two I analyzed for you. This one was incepted in 1999, had a beautiful uptrend from that time into the 2008 high, just a great move. Traded from about 20 cents up to I think about 22 or somewhere in that area. Since then, it's been in a big downtrend, but at least in its long-term history, it does have a nice uptrend to come back to. So I think that's an important thing. And obviously, I think the hope and what you're looking at is could this advance off the 2016 low be the resumption of this uptrend that started back in 1999? So the decline off the 2008 high into the 2016 low certainly does look like a three-wave move at this time. Which is a good sign. Unfortunately, it still would take a while till you have absolute proof that this was a three-wave move. It would actually take a move up to 5.25 to prove that this downtrend was over. Let me rephrase that this was a counter-trend down move and that it's over as well. So despite that, I think the potential is still good. We certainly don't have to wait till it hits 5.25 before this becomes a buying opportunity. That's just a long-term level that we have to keep an eye on, looking for absolute proof somewhere down the line as things progress. So the potential is certainly there that this is the resumption of the uptrend, but again, it takes a much bigger move up through 525 before we can confirm it. Nevertheless, let's zoom in on this advance off the 2016 low and see what we can see here. So it does look like it has trendy potential, absolutely. It's not the clearest up move I've ever seen, but hey, so be it. I mean, it still looks like a trendy move. There is a possibility that this pullback that started in mid-April isn't over yet, and that it's going to dip back down and test June's low before it actually resumes its uptrend. I'm not saying that's definitely going to happen. I'm just saying we can't confirm with any certainty yet that the uptrend has already resumed off of this low here. So the level to watch is 1.8. If GGB moves below 1.8 at any time, it means that the pullback's not over yet and that a test of this low is coming before the uptrend resumes. So you could actually use that level as a stop level if you own it. I guess I would be looking more for a breakout just to confirm that the uptrend has resumed. So maybe a move through like say 260, 265. You could buy it at that point. And then again, have your stop at 180. You can probably move it up to 190 and then just kind of trail it as the advance resumes from there. But this does look very promising. This does look like the start of a larger move, whatever it may be. It certainly has the potential to be the resumption of the long-term uptrend. Can't prove it yet. It's just too early on in the game, but this certainly does look like the start of a larger move that can certainly be traded. Personally, if I was to buy it, I would wait for a breakout first above the 250 or wherever it set this high here in April, and then buy it after that point. So I hope that's helpful. Have a wonderful rest of your evening, and I'm sure we will be talking again soon. Take care.